Good morning, everybody. All of you are learning about Unit 7, P block elements. And before today's class, we have learned about general physical properties and chemical properties of P block elements. And today all of you learn about the activity of elements with hydrogen, the activity towards hydrogen. And all of you are talking about the activity with 15 group, but really the activity with hydrogen will expressed by all the groups similarly, and that is expressed by me about all the groups today. And pay attention, because only one thing we are, if we repeat again and again, then time will be lost and study will be also too much broad, and that will be difficult for you. So it is necessary for you that you should pay your attention on a single time, and on a single time you can obtain total knowledge about the properties of all the groups. Today I am talking about the activity towards hydrogen of group 15, how the elements of group 15 are taking place in chemical reaction with hydrogen. All the elements of group 15, they are nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, and bismuth. When taking place in chemical reaction with hydrogen, 3 atoms of hydrogen combines with one element and forming NH3, PH3, ASH3, SBH3, as well as BiH3. Because the elements of group 15, that is the fifth A, subgroup, showing trivalency, expressing trivalent in nature. 3 valencies are expressed because 3 unpaired electrons in outermost cell, that is in P subcell, occurs. So 3 electrons present in outermost cell taking place in chemical bond formation with hydrogen, and their compounds with hydrogen are NH3, that is called as ammonia, PH3, that is called as phosphine, ASH3, that is called as arsine, SBH3 इसे बिस्मुथीन कहते हैं, और इसे ये जो Sb है एंटीमनी कहलाता है, एंटीमनी हाइड्राइड. Trivalent compounds are formed with hydrogen, resulting. What is the oxidation number? Just you can determine it. Electronegativity of nitrogen is comparatively higher than hydrogen. So oxidation number of nitrogen is -3, and phosphorus express -3. Electronegativity decreases from top to bottom. All of you know well. Similarly, bismuthine or bismuth trihydride, it expresses +3 oxidation state with hydrogen. Any problem? Because it has tendency to lose electron. So express metallic character. This point is already discussed in previous class, in previous units. Any problem? Similarly, if you are talking about group 15, after group 15, you are coming in group 16, that is 6A, subgroup. Then oxygen, sulfur, selenium, titanium, and polonium. These are the elements. These elements express bivalent nature, showing two valencies, resulting they express bivalent compound H2O, H2S, SaH2, RH2SaE you can write also, TeH2 and POH2, etc. and so on. And group 17 elements, FClBrI, they express monovalent, forming HF, HCl, HBr, HI. Any problem? Inert gases are noble in nature, that is, they are inert, so they do not take place in chemical reaction with hydrogen. Any problem? They have already inert, that is stable electronic configuration, so they do not take place in chemical reaction with hydrogen and do not form any compound with hydrogen. Attention please. I have already told you about all the groups property, all the groups activity, group 15, 16, 17 and 18. Be the hydrogen. Are you feeling any trouble? Problem is solved. Or any problem is being created? Already expressed it. All elements of group 15 form hydride of the type EH3. ये EH3 टाइप का कंपाउंड फॉर्म कर रहे हैं और ये EH2 टाइप का कंपाउंड फॉर्म कर रहे हैं। और ग्रुप 17 की बात करेंगे तो वो EH टाइप का कंपाउंड फॉर्म करेंगे। तो इस चीज को आपको 3 बार बताने की आवश्यकता नहीं होगी। आप एक बार दिमाग में रखिए और बात को जानकारी में रखिए, क्वेश्चन का आंसर देते रहिए। क्लियर? नोट करना चाहते हैं क्या? Just you can, all of you can note it on your exercise book also. I am giving blackboard. Talking about basic nature of hydride, basicity, basicity of hydride decreases from top to bottom in their hydrides. Ammonia is highly basic than pH3. pH3 is highly basic than ASH3. ASH3 is highly basic than SBH3. And SBH3 and BiH3 may access a very little higher basic nature, or that is, maybe you can say they are equal also. This is the order of basicity. Order of basicity. What is the order of reducing nature? रिड्यूस करने की एबिलिटी की बात करेंगे तो ये अपने हाइड्रोजन को आसानी से लूज कर देता है इन कंपैरिजन टू दिस वन। सो यू कैन से reducing nature increases reducing nature of hydride, reducing nature of hydride expressed in such order. It is just opposite to basic nature. Clear? It is the order of reducing nature of hydride of group 15 elements. Now we are talking about reactivity towards oxygen. Next property. ये समझ में आ गया? कोई दिक्कत तो नहीं है? Reactivity towards oxygen. Reactivity towards oxygen. All of these have ability to form their oxide of general formula E2O3, where E is equal to what? E is equal to NPASSB and BIE. Any problem? यहाँ ई का मतलब है नाइट्रोजन फास्फोरस आर्सेनिक एंटीमनी और बिस्मथ। इनका जो जनरल फार्मूला आपको स्टेप मिलेगा E2O3 के फॉर्म में, बिकॉज ऑल ऑफ दीज हैव वैलेंसी 3, दे आर ट्राइवैलेंट एंड ऑक्सीजन इज बाइवैलेंट एलिमेंट। ऑक्सीजन की वैलेंसी 2 होती है और इन सभी एलिमेंट की वैलेंसी 3 होती है। तो बच्चों जैसे ये आप देखिए नाइट्रोजन की वैलेंसी कितनी है? 3 और ऑक्सीजन की वैलेंसी 2। ये वैलेंसी 2 और 3 है ना, तो कंपाउंड कैसे बनेगा? 3 और 2 का एलसीएम ले लीजिए, आ जाएगा 6। 6 में आप 6 को 3 से डिवाइड करिए, कितना है? 2, इसीलिए लिखते हैं आप N2। और 6 को 2 से डिवाइड करिए तो आ जाएगा 3, इसलिए लिखते हैं O3। इस प्रकार से आप फार्मूला लिखते हैं। पिछले क्लास 10th का है ये, और वैसे आप नहीं जानते हो तो आपको हम हेल्प कर दे रहे हैं। ये E2O3 फार्मूला शो होता है, ये ऑक्साइड बनते हैं। कोई दिक्कत? और नाइट्रोजन के जो ऑक्साइड होते हैं N2O3 और P2O3, these both are acidic in nature, and AS2O3, Sb2SO3, Bi2O3, these are basic in nature. ये छोटी छोटी बातें दिमाग में रखना चाहिए। आपको ये बात दिमाग में रखना चाहिए कि बेसिक नेचर ऑक्साइड के ऊपर से नीचे आने पर बढ़ती है, बेसिक नेचर ऊपर से नीचे आने पर और बाएं से दाएं जाने पर घटती है। ये पहले बार एक साथ बता दिया गया। एसिडिक नेचर देख रहे हैं आप, बाएं से दाएं जाने पर ऑक्साइड की जो एसिडिक नेचर है वो बढ़ती है, और ऊपर से नीचे आने पर एसिडिक नेचर घटती है। एसिडिक नेचर ऑफ ऑक्साइड इंक्रीजेस फ्रॉम लेफ्ट टू राइट इन ए पीरियड and decreases from top to bottom in a group. एक लाइन याद रखनी चाहिए, हर जगह आपका इस्तेमाल होता चला जाएगा, चाहे ग्रुप 15 हो, चाहे ग्रुप 16 हो, चाहे ग्रुप 17 हो. In all the groups, similar concept will be applied. Any problem? Reactivity towards metals. This point will be explained at next day. Today revise all these topics, and if any problem is being originated, then you can contact with me without hesitation at any suitable time. Suitable time means from 10 p.m. to 6 or 7 a.m. Please leave me. From 10 p.m. to 7 a.m. and after 7 a.m. to night 10 p.m. you can ask without any hesitation. At such number you can contact, all these students may contact such number without any hesitation. Okay, thank you very much. See you again.